What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be installing the K&N Air Filter on my BMW 3 Series. This is a K&N Air Filter I have here. I'll do a review on the performance of this and the sound that it will make afterwards. Excuse the mess guys, I know I still need to clean my engine bay. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the engine covers. So we're going to start off by using a T30 and just loosen the two screws that we have here. We've got one screw here and then we have another one here. So now we've got another screw here. So now once the screws are out, we can take our engine cover off, place it to the side. Now we're just going to remove this part of the engine cover. So we've got it here. Now there's 3 screws that you need to remove. And now this should be able to be removed. Now we're just going to remove this rubber seal that we have here. I'll place that to the side. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket and remove the cabin air filter. Now you want to take this cover off, and also from this side we take this cover off. And now there's only 2 bolts that hold this trim. Now once you remove the side covers, you want to get your 8mm socket, and there's a bolt right here. Now we've got the bolt out, and now you want to go to the other side, and the exact same thing located over here. You just want to open this up and take all the wiring that's inside the plastic housing. So this is your, you just take this out. You want to disconnect this and then remove this plastic housing. You just need to remove this plastic cover off now. Now with the 8mm socket, you want to remove this bolt. There'll be another bolt in the back of here. So after removing the 2 bolts from the top, now you'll get 1 bolt over here, right down there. Now you want to take this bolt out. There we have it. Now you can see the air filter. And now we just need to remove the housing of this. Once you took all the bolts out, you've got one bolt over here. Just want to take this out. So to take this air filter cover out, I had to loosen this bolt so then we can move this freely, and also loosen this bolt over here, which makes it easier for us to remove this. You can just push out, and now we have the old air filter here. So now we've got our K&N filter. We just want to place it in. There we are, nice and tight fit. And now we have this clamp, and with a flathead screwdriver we would like to tighten this clamp so it's on securely. And now we know this is secured, and now you just want to reassemble everything back the way you took it off. So just repeat the steps backwards. Now I'll just do a review on the air filter. there's not really much difference with the noise. You can only hear a little bit of the turbo whistle, but isn't a big difference. Performance wise, as from my experience right now, my throttle response has improved, definitely. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mod. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.